What if one of the most anticipated IPOs in history is telling us more about investor psychology than it is about the company itself? SpaceX recently completed what is now the largest initial public offering in history. It is an extraordinary company that has transformed commercial space travel, satellite communications, and aerospace innovation. But our research wasn't designed to evaluate SpaceX as an investment. Instead, we asked a different question. What has historically happened to the stock market after the largest IPOs of their respective eras? To answer that question, we studied the 5 largest IPOs from each decade since 1980 and measured subsequent S&P 500 performance. The results were interesting. In the months immediately following these landmark offerings, market returns were generally close to normal. However, the longer-term results were less favorable. Following these mega IPOs, the median 12-month return for the S&P 500 was approximately 2%, compared to a historical median exceeding 11%. At the 24-month horizon, the median return was roughly 6%, compared to a historical norm of approximately 21%. We also found that below-average outcomes occurred far more frequently than history would normally suggest. This does not mean a large IPO causes a market decline. Rather, history suggests that record-breaking offerings often occur during periods of extraordinary optimism, abundant liquidity, and elevated investor confidence. In other words, companies and their underwriters tend to bring shares to market when conditions are exceptionally favorable. The lesson is not to fear innovation. The lesson is to maintain perspective. Periods capable of supporting historic IPOs may also be periods that deserve heightened selectivity, disciplined position sizing, and thoughtful risk management. History never repeats perfectly, but it often rhymes. We enjoy providing helpful information to help you make sense of markets and important financial planning concepts. Engage LRG Wealth Advisors so we may apply market wisdom to your financial plan and investment portfolios so you may live the life you imagine. This is LaRue Gibson with LRG Wealth Advisors.